Did you know that SEMCOG has been monitoring the condition of the major roads and bridges in our region since 2004? Every year, teams of road raters go out and rate the 8,000 miles of paved federal aid eligible roads in southeast Michigan. When we started the survey in 2004, almost 90% of major roads in our region were rated in good or fair condition. In 2011, less than 70% were in good or fair condition. We project that without an increase in funding to improve and maintain our roads, the percentage of good and fair roads will continue to decline. The situation with bridges is a little different. The overall condition of bridges has remained relatively stable, but again, without increases in funding, we will witness the overall condition of bridges in our region declining. Key points to remember from this short video are that our roads and bridges are deteriorating at a rate faster than we have resources to improve them. Without additional funding, this trend will continue. The longer we wait to increase funding, the more it'll cost us. And the longer it will take to improve the system to acceptable standards. SEMCOG will be considering these and other transportation issues as we develop our 2040 Regional Transportation Plan. You can help shape the outcome of the plan by providing your input. Go to SEMCOG's webpage or our Facebook page and learn more and participate in a short survey to help us identify your priorities as we develop the plan.